acquired the add-on, it will be in a zip form. Once you download that, just go ahead and leave that zipped. I'm currently in the newly released 2.90, which is new at the time of this video. Will probably be outdated by the time I upload this video later today. But what you're going to want to do is go to Edit, Preferences, and under Add-ons, click Install. And I downloaded mine to the desktop here, so I'll just click on this System Bookmarks folder thing and press Desktop. There it is. Click it, Install Add-on. And now the add-on has been imported into Blender's settings, and so it's ready to be activated. So it's installed but not activated. Now before I click this checkbox here, I want you to notice all the tabs up top here, and notice how there is not a tab that currently says Hacker. So let's change that. All we do is click this, and now the add-on is installed, as well as the Hacker workspace is also installed. So we can click on this, and we're good to go. Everything's set up for us. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.